Tired of that old, weak showerhead? Or maybe you're just ready to give your bathroom a quick modern upgrade without spending a fortune. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to replace your showerhead step by step, from removing the old one to installing a brand new model that fits your style and saves water. No plumber needed, no guesswork, just a clean and simple upgrade you can do today. Let's get started. Step 1. Know what you're replacing. If you're updating both the showerhead and the shower trim, there's one important difference. Shower trim, meaning the handle and plate, has to match the valve that's already inside your wall. Not all brands and models work together, so check compatibility before you buy. Shower heads are much simpler. They're universal and will screw onto any standard shower arm. Step 2. Choose the right shower head. There are a lot of options out there. Fixed, rain, handheld, brushed nickel, matte black, even ones with different spray modes. Some allow you to adjust the water pressure to your liking. And if you want more flexibility for rinsing or cleaning, consider a handheld model. For better water efficiency, look for a low-flow shower head with a flow rate under 2.5 gallons per minute. Step 3. Prep the work area. Start by placing a towel over the drain. That way, if anything falls, it won't disappear down the pipe. Then try removing the old shower head by hand. If it's stuck, spray some penetrating oil like PB Blaster on the threads, and let it sit for a few minutes. Step 4. Remove the old shower head. Wrap a rag around the shower arm to protect the finish. Use slip joint pliers to hold it steady. Then with your other hand, use an adjustable wrench to turn the shower head counterclockwise. Be careful not to move the shower arm inside the wall. Step 5. Clean and prep the threads. Once the old shower head is off, clean the threads. Remove any old Teflon tape or debris. If your new shower head needs Teflon tape, wrap a few layers clockwise around the threads. Don't wrap too close to the end, or the tape might be visible after installation. If your new shower head doesn't use Teflon tape, just make sure the threads are clean and dry. Step 6. Install the new shower head. Screw on the new shower head by hand until it's snug. Turn on the water and check for leaks. If you notice any dripping, hold the shower arm in place with your pliers and gently tighten the shower head with your wrench, no more than a quarter turn. Step 7. Enjoy the upgrade. You're done. Turn on the water, test the spray, and enjoy your new shower head. It's a simple upgrade that can make your whole bathroom feel refreshed, and that's all it takes to replace your shower head. A simple project that makes a big difference every time you turn on the water. If this video helped you out, give it a like and hit subscribe for more practical home improvement tips. Got questions or want to see more DIY projects? Drop a comment below. And if you're shopping for quality fixtures, tools, or upgrades, visit thetradable.com to find everything you need for your next project. Thanks for watching.